Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Today we are discussing on a very interesting topic, that is television is useful or useless. See, according to me, as far as my knowledge is concerned and my experience is concerned, there are many people who do not prefer to watch television because television is considered to be an idiot box. Yes, Achal.
According to me, television is useless.
Yes, Pallavi.
So according to me, television is very useful.
Very useful. Okay, Sapna.
Yeah.
Sir, according to me, television is not useful.
It's not useful. Yes, Govind. Beta, Govind, please unmute yourself. Unmute your audio. Yes, now speak.
Sorry. According to me, television is useful.
It's useful. Excellent. So let's start the group discussion now, and Tarun sir would initiate. Okay, audience, I would like to initiate the group discussion by saying that television, according to me, is useless. Reason why? Because if you want to crack any exam, and that too of a very high profile, so you would waste your time watching television, because television shows things that are nauseating, repulsive, and monstrous. There is a poem. There is a poem in the name of television written by Roald Dahl. Even he has criticized this idiot box, that is television, because it shows anything at any point of time. Please come in the GD, everyone.
So I want to contribute your points by saying that nowadays we know that all the TV shows are running for TRP only, but some are like DD National or DD Education. They are providing much better quality and more useful content for our education. As an experiment of CDS, I always prefer DD National News to get current affair knowledge of news type.
Rest of you come in the GD, please.
So here I will like to support Govind's point by saying that yes, it is a good source of information, like many channels, like animal channels, like Discovery, where you can get a lot of information regarding, and news channels also, and many that are national things, like the things which we see on 15 August, that everyone can't reach at the that border and see the parades, that parades. So it's like a source of good information, and it makes you it is a source of entertainment too, and a family bonding. It makes a strong family bonding when you're sitting at your dinner time with each other.
Sir, I would like to contradict her point by saying that nowadays, how many students are watching all this useful channels? I don't get so. They are more interested toward watching shows like Big Boss, Daddy, and we are seeing that they are having a high TRP than all these Discovery channels. So I guess if they are having so much TRP, so children are more keen and more interested toward watching channels like all this that shows some stupid thing. And one more thing, that they are spending more time than watching TV rather than playing outside, and or rather than involving in sports. It's also making them too lazy, as they just sit and watch television for around 3 to 4 hours. It's just I guess it's just destroying their eyes and all.
Here I will like to counter your point by saying that as I said, that it depends upon person to person. It depends upon the children to the children. And it depends upon the parents too, that what they're allowing their children to watch. And like I said, that television is a mean that especially it shows are the mainly, like I watch like Indian shows, like our Indian culture, like Ramayana, Mahabharata, which is the greatest epic of our country, of India. So I think it is a good source of information, good source of entertainment, and yes, of course, at the last time I would say that yes, it is a good source of where we can make our family bond together at our dinner time, at our lunch time and all. So yes,
I would like to
that's all.
contradict you, that you said that parents can stop their children. Nowadays, no parents can stop a children from doing anything because they are totally dependent on themselves and they do what they wish to. You can't stop them at anyhow. And next thing that I would like to say, that as far as studies shows or research shows, children watching a lot of TV is also destroying their mind. And they are avoiding their studies. So I guess if they are not connected with the television, they would do something great.
Okay, here I would like to even raise an example that television is considered to be useless by many of the toppers. Toppers in terms, I would like to say that students who are willing to score very high marks, they even do not know that such an electronic device has been installed in their house. To be very honest, they even do not know that such device is there inside their house. So I think so students, they only want entertainment, and entertainment is of no use when it comes to a student's life. Counter my point. Govin, unmute yourself. Govin, please unmute yourself.
I like to contradict your point by saying that, sir, as an example, if we take an example of NEET, in NEET, a person or a student need 78% or around 650 marks, 600 marks, or if a candidate student gets 650 marks and they are eligible for MBBS, and a person who get topper of that NEET and get 700 marks, they all goes to MBBS now. That not matter you see TV or not. This is all the mindsets only.
So here I will like to support Govind's point by saying that yes, you can watch television and you can also prepare for competitive exams too, because you can use that mode. You can use that mode